Good morning. I'm on the trails above Changhua. I thought it would be quiet up here, but there's something going on at the temple just next to me here. Can't really see them. There's people everywhere. Yeah. So yeah, that's happening. I'm trying to find a quiet spot because I don't want people to think I'm weird what I'm about to do. Okay, so what I'm about to do today, I'm going to do some earthing or grounding. There's two names for it, earthing or grounding. It's where you walk with no shoes on and you feel the earth beneath your feet. I've never done it before. Well, I've done it in the garden and on the beach, but I've never actually done it outside in like here in the forest. So I'm going to give it a go. I saw it on the internet. I was like, yeah, you know what? I know I'm not the only crazy one. I just saw a guy doing it whilst he was running earlier, passing on the scooter. But I know I'm not the only crazy one. But I'm just trying to get away from all these people. There's too many bloody people here today. It's only a quiet trail. Okay, here comes that moment where I'm going to take my flip-flops off. Okay. It feels great. It feels great. I'm in my hand. You know what? It feels actually quite nice. It feels really nice just to walk, no shoes on. Watch it, I'll step at something sharp now. Okay, so I'm sitting on this old tree, this fallen tree, having a bit of a rest. It is very hot and very hot in this forest, and yeah, but it's quite busy today, unfortunately. But let's see what the damage is to my feet. Ready? I'm gonna get all close and personal now with my feet. Here we go. Hey, how the Taiwanese say, "Ayya." And the other one, not bad, not bad. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. Yeah, I think I'm going to skedaddle. Oh, it's lovely, lovely. Also, I noticed I'm sitting right next to an ant's nest. Go back this way. So, do I recommend earthing? Yeah, I do. I recommend it. You should go out sometimes into your local woodland, wherever. Just take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Feel the earth beneath your feet, into your toes. It actually, I know people are like, oh, the mud, but it actually feels great. You know, people go to spa days for mud baths. you're basically getting a free one. But no, I feel that more with nature a little bit, like I'm with Mother Nature. What else? I don't know, it feels liberating, it feels natural, it actually feels natural. It makes your feet tougher. What else? It gives you good balance, it makes you a little bit, I don't know how to put this into words, it makes you feel like what we used to be. You know, like we used to be people who used to run around with hardly any clothes on, no shoes on, living out in the wild. It makes you feel closer to our ancestors a little bit. Yeah, that's how I say it. Makes me feel closer to our distant ancestors. Though I don't think my distant ancestors lived in Taiwan. Alright, gonna head back to the scooter now. I put my flip-flops back on because I'm approaching the main path, but yes, definitely do this. Okay, so I'm now back home. So that was basically my morning adventure. I got myself a carton of milk with this cheerful looking guy feeding his cow on it. Yeah, so what can I take away with this? I highly recommend it. You should definitely try earthing or grounding, whatever you want to call it. It's different, new experience, you know? You always got to look for new experiences in life. Keep the adventure alive. My feet are dirty, but there could be worse things on my feet. I think the biggest thing I have on there, which is bad, is this little ant bite. There's this little nipper that kept biting my feet, I suppose. Apart from that, no, all good. Only one bite. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. Okay, hope you have a great day. Also remember, keep on experiencing new things in life. Alright, cheerio and cheers.